Hey guys, and welcome to my first paddle video out in the Royal National Park. Out for a cruise in the afternoon, a little bit smoky and hazy from the recent fires. In the Epic V7 today, reasonably new toy for me. Previously had the Preon 470 kayak, so more of a touring kayak, but decided to try out a surf ski. And I guess I might as well talk about in this video why the surf ski. In case you guys were curious or thinking about making the jump, etc. Well, there's a few reasons for me personally. Number one, given where I live, we're on a river now, but this river, if you paddle about an hour in the opposite direction, it opens out into the ocean. So you can go for little surfs and a bit more exploring in open water. And even though in the kayak it could have handled some waves and open water and stuff, and I was able to roll in it reasonably well, this is just a little bit safer, a little bit more fun when it comes to surfing the waves. It's also a little bit faster, and you know, I'm not doing long multi-day paddles really. They're mostly out on the water for 1 to 3 hours. But the reason I got this V7 is it still has 100 litre capacity in the back, so I can still definitely put all my camping gear in there and go out for a camp. Since I don't really do camping on foot in summer, I want to get out on the water and do some of that camping, so it still leaves me that option as well, which is quite cool. I guess another reason for this kayak and open water and all that kind of stuff, so yeah, it's easy to get in. It's also got a self-bailing option down the bottom, so you know, if you do fall out, even though I did have a pump from my old kayak and all that kind of stuff, this you know, you jump in, you open the self-bailer, pick up a bit of speed, and away you go, and it bails for you. So again, just makes life a little bit easier for the stuff that I want to do. So speaking of getting in and out, one of the, I guess, reasons I'm out paddling today is just to practice some entries into the surf ski. It is a little bit different than my kayak. It is a little bit less stable. So, and since I've only had this for a little while, pretty important to kind of get used to getting in and out of this thing. Lucky calm water today, so nice and easy to practice before I hit more of the swells and stuff. So we'll just paddle over a little bit closer to the shore just in case, and we'll do some getting in and out. Should be fun. So if I haven't mentioned it already, recording on the new Hero 8, which I picked up on the Black Friday sales. My last GoPro was a Hero 3 Plus Black, so I've skipped a few generations, and gotta say it's a nice improvement, this 8 over the Hero 3 Black. Very nice improvement. I am wondering how it's picking up what the sound is like right now, since I've dipped it in the water quite a few times, and obviously there's going to be a bit of wind from paddling along, so hopefully you can hear me okay. It's as much of a test for me. This is the first time I'm using it. Brought it this morning and the weather's quite good, so off to paddle. I also just wanted to say a little thanks to everyone who commented on my last video. Not only my last video, but all of them. Really appreciate your support, your feedback, and it just makes making these videos and the content worthwhile, and I'm glad people enjoy it. I don't do it for anyone but myself, but it's nice to see that other people enjoy it as well. And I guess that was one of the reasons I did decide to buy the GoPro. Is you guys seem pretty keen on the other stuff. So as you can see, I'm out kayaking right now, and tomorrow we will be doing some outdoor climbing. So plan to take it along for that and shoot some more videos there. And I guess just kind of build on the channel. I'm really lucky to live in a beautiful part of the world, being Australia, and there's so much to see and do here. And not only living in Australia, I live in a really nice part, well, I think it's quite nice, 30k south of Sydney, down in the Southern Shire, and this river system here is 10 minutes drive from my place. We've got climbing, 10 minutes drive in the other direction, and beaches and stuff. So it'd be awesome to capture some adventures and share it with everyone. So again, thanks for your feedback, and I hope you guys enjoy the future videos.